Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Addtam USB wall charger and surge protector. So it's going to give you 5 outlets, 3 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port. You're going to plug it in. So it fits any standard size receptacle. Again, you're just going to plug it in. That other little prong is going to go into that. And there's how it looks. It does have a little green LED light in the middle to let you know that the surge protection is working. Okay, so it sticks out from the wall about 1.75 inches. At its maximum, it's right around 5.5, and width-wise, you're looking at about 3.5. Okay, so let's measure the voltage coming out of the USB-C port, see if it can fast charge an iPhone. So the manual does say the maximum output of these USB-C ports and USB-A is 4.5 amps. Right now we're putting out 5 amps, and that's 5 volts. So all 4 of these can only put out 5 volts, 4.5 amps. And we're putting out almost 5 volts at 1.68 amps. So it's enough to charge my iPhone, but it's not fast charging it. And so I got it plugged into my Samsung tablet, and it just does charging. And for my Samsung, about 5 volts at 0.98 amps. Okay, so now let's check the USB-A going through here to my iPhone. 5 volts at 1 amp. But again, the main benefit is being able to take like 2 plug-ins and convert it into 5 different ones that plug out at different angles, so you can plug a lot into it. It is capable of 1,875 watts. There's no screw or anything for it. You're simply going to plug it in. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.